North Korea conducted its first missile launch of the year, firing a suspected solid-fuel short-range ballistic missile likely identified as KN-23 into the East Sea, with missile covering a distance of around 1,000 kilometers before falling into the sea. BAE Systems has successfully delivered the first amphibious combat vehicle in command and control configuration to the U.S. Marine Corps. The ACV-C offers open ocean and ship-to-objective amphibious capability coupled with land mobility, survivability, and a substantial growth capacity. Germany has promised to provide additional sophisticated drones to the Philippine Coast Guard. Philippine Coast Guard currently operate 2 Trinity F-90+ drones. The additional 4 or more units are part of a €129 million assistance from the German government, which will be used in West Philippine Sea disaster response and relief operations, maritime surveillance for drug and illegal fishing operations. Bharat Dynamics Limited, the state-owned manufacturer of the missile, officially flagged off the first batch of Astra Mk-1 units to Indian Air Force. Astra is beyond visual range weapon designed to neutralize enemy aircraft at long distances with range of 100+ kilometers.